Are you planning to migrate to Chef 360 but concerned about maintaining fleet visibility? The Chef 360 Automate connector lets you continue using your existing Chef Automate dashboards and infrastructure views while managing nodes through Chef 360. It forwards Chef Infra Client Run reports and compliance data to your Chef Automate instance, preserving full operational visibility throughout your migration. To configure the Chef Automate connector, log into the Chef 360 platform. Navigate to Tenant Management and select Automate Connector. Here, you will need to provide the Automate Data Collector URL and an API token. Enter the data collector URL for your Chef Automate instance. Next, to obtain a token, log into your Chef Automate instance, navigate to Settings, API Tokens, and either create a new token or use an existing one with the appropriate permissions. Copy the token and paste it into the token field in Chef 360. You'll also notice the Skip SSL Verify option. This setting disables SSL certificate validation when connecting to the Chef Automate data collector endpoint. It can be useful in development or lab environments where self-signed certificates are used. Once both values are provided, click Save to establish the connection. Next, let's verify that the Automate connector is working and that data from Chef 360 is successfully flowing into Chef Automate. Now, let's briefly review the credentials file, which is used to securely connect the Chef workstation to the Chef 360 platform. For this demonstration, we will prepare an Ubuntu server to function as a Kubernetes worker node using Chef 360. Instead of manual configuration, the entire setup is codified in a Chef recipe and executed automatically. The recipe installs the required dependencies, applies system configurations, disables swap, configures kernel parameters, and prepares the server in line with Kubernetes best practices, enabling a consistent and repeatable deployment. Next, let's open the metadata.rb file and update the cookbook version to 4.1.0. This helps confirm that the latest version has been uploaded to Chef 360 and is correctly reflected in Chef Automate. Now, let's navigate to the DSM nodes section and open the Cookbooks tab. Here, you should see the Kubernetes Worker Preparation Cookbook with version 4.1.0, along with its associated content. Before bootstrapping our target machine, let's verify that the Automate connector node is not yet visible in Chef Automate under the Infrastructure section. This establishes a clear baseline. We'll now bootstrap the Ubuntu client to Chef 360 using the Chef workstation. During this process, the Chef Infra client gets installed, the node is securely registered with Chef 360, and the required configuration is applied to establish ongoing management. Once the bootstrap operation completes, you can see that the Automate connector node appears in the DSM nodes view, confirming that the registration was successful. Next, let's update the node's run list to include our Kubernetes preparation cookbook. The run list defines which recipes are executed during convergence. Now, let's run Chef client on the target machine. During this convergence, the Chef Infra client securely connects to Chef 360, retrieves the latest versions of the assigned cookbook and its dependencies, evaluates the node's run list, and applies the desired configuration. To validate the integration, return to the Chef Automate dashboard. Confirm that Automate connector node is now visible under both the dashboard and infrastructure sections. Selecting the node allows us to inspect the executed cookbooks, recipes, and resources, providing complete visibility into the configuration run. As a final verification step, let's open the sample web dashboard generated by the cookbook to confirm that the Kubernetes worker node has been successfully prepared, demonstrating end-to-end automation and reporting through Chef 360 and Chef Automate. The Chef 360 Automate connector combines policy-driven management with rich visibility and reporting. Chef 360 powers node onboarding and configuration, while Chef Automate delivers centralized insights into infrastructure activity, helping teams monitor, audit, and troubleshoot with confidence.